In parts of the Philippines, less fish are making it to the market.
Dati kasi itong tambacola, kumukuha ko ng 40 kilos. Pero sa ngayon, kumukuha na lang ako mga 15 kilos.
But this is not because there are less fish in the ocean. Rather, fishermen are choosing not to go fishing at all. On a normal day, fishing boats would start returning at around 10 a.m. here in Cavite. But these days, many aren't even leaving the shore. That's because of diesel prices. Since the current US-Iran conflict began, fuel prices have risen across the Philippines, which imports most of its fuel.
Yung gasolina namin halos tipid na tipid. Hindi kami makarating sa dapat namin puntahan para lang makaano ko maayos na pangingisda. So, sabi ko sa asawa ko, titigil muna ako kasi talo tayo sa gastos.
Dati ang gasolina, nasa 54. Ngayon, 94 siyang litro.
Less fishing means less seafood reaching local markets, and what's available becomes more expensive.
Kagaya ko nga rin ng bangus, kung 4 sila, minsan 4 na hiwa lang. Ngayon ginagawa nilang 8. Kasi daw para mamayang gabi naman nila.
Around 2 million Filipinos rely on the fishing industry for their livelihoods, many already living close to the poverty line.
Ngayon ang talaga bahala ko ibenta kasi wala ba nang igagastos pag dalawang bangka ilalabas kasi napakamahal kasi gasolina.
Kaya sa Iran, sino ba ang dapat pagsakripisyo? Kami ba dapat?